So these are translucent paints. So these are see-through, as you can see here with the swatches. You can see the colour coming through them. So that means that you can layer them on top of each other and get like a secondary or third type of colour. But they're great for colouring in because that means that you don't cover up any of the black line work at all. And again, these are highly concentrated, so you need just the tiniest amount. I always say about the size of a grain of rice on a mat, and then add water to it. Look at the beautiful watercolor techniques you get from these paints. This is what is really outstanding, and the vibrancy of colors comes through because they are so concentrated. Again, they are a true fabric paint as well, so they're multi-surface. Absolutely gorgeous.